LevelShield system. Fuel management comes with its own set of challenges, from manual measurements that could lead to accidents, inaccurate measurements, undetected water buildup, to unexpected fuel runouts. These problems can slow down your operations, cause damage, and increase costs. LevelShield offers a complete solution for all your fuel management needs, regardless of the size of your operation, with easy installation. Advanced float sensors that measure temperature, product level, and water level, with the option to include a fuel discriminator that accurately differentiates between diesel or gasoline. LevelShield adapts to all types of tanks: underground, above-ground, stationary tanks, or mobile, with single or multiple compartments. For underground tanks, it smoothly integrates with third-party consoles and probes, synchronizing data for unified fuel inventory management. Our Fuel B4 software gives you real-time fuel level data, inventory management, burn rate tracking with days-to-empty predictions, runout alerts, fuel reconciliation, and load pattern monitoring for complete fuel control. By using LevelShield, you get precise data and proactive alerts, allowing you to make smart, data-driven decisions. Minimize downtime, reduce fuel waste, and protect your fuel inventory. LevelShield system, powered by Fuel B4. Visit our website or book a free consultation today.